Hi guys, this is Arna from the TARS team. I just want to briefly talk to you today about the data analyze feature in the TARS builder. Um, so this is the bot. What you can see on the screen right here is the bot that we have on our website. It lives on the corner over here. So if I click this widget, this bot opens up and it captures leads for us. It captures at least a couple of hundred leads a month. Um, and so this is the back end of that bot. If I click on the check data option in the menu on the left, and then I click on the analyze option, it opens up this screen over here. um, Within the screen, you can see the absolute numbers for 5 different metrics. These are unique bot visits, so everyone who has opened up the bot and actually seen the bot conversations. So this is the number of people who actually interacted with the bot in the first gambit. Um, Bot goal completions. This is the number of people who have actually reached the goal gambit. So this is the gambit you want them to reach to. So if you're capturing email, it's the number of people that have given you their email. If you're capturing phone number, it's the number of people that have given you their phone number. You can set that goal actually by hitting set bot goal over here. And changing what the goal gamut is within the actual settings of the bot. So if I go to goal settings over here, we've set email, all the email gambits is the goal gambits. So it's using that to calculate the goal completions. The bot interaction rate is the percentage of people. So if it's the bot conversations divided by the bot visits multiplied by 100. So it's essentially the percentage of people who actually start the conversation with the bot. And the goal conversion rate is essentially the percentage of bot visits, the percentage of people who come and visit your bot actually, who convert into actual leads. So in our case, the number of people who give us emails. One of the newer features we've added to this is you can filter. So there are you can filter the sorts of users that are included in this data. By default, it only checks unique users. Um, so if I turn this off and I check all activity data, this is including data where one user might have come to the bot, started a conversation, and then returned to the bot. Those count as two separate sessions. So those are counted as two separate bot visits. But by default, we keep unique users on. So essentially, that means everyone who, even if they have two sessions in the bot, we count that as one visit. The other most recent feature which we've added, which we're really excited about, is the timeline graph feature. So in the left panel over here, if I click on timeline graph, you can see that we have visualized all of those 5 metrics in graph form. And as with the overview section, you can filter these metrics by date range. So if I check what these 5 metrics look like for this month, this is what they look like. You can see that on March 1st we had 138 bot visits. Our interaction rate was 47.1. And our conversion rate was 8.7. I can also see that our conversion rate on 18th of March was 18.18, which is considerably higher than our average conversion rate. So I might actually go into the data to see what's going on, and figure out how we can capitalize on that trend to increase our conversion rate consistently. This feature is particularly useful if you test with your bot. We always say that the most important stage of bot creation is actually after you've deployed the bot and you're running tests on it, where you're changing the messaging and seeing how prospects respond to it. So this is a great way to track that. So in the older version of this bot, which we had, we actually made changes to the actual bot flow. We tested out the options we gave users in the first gambit, and we found that we could increase conversion rate by reducing one of the gambits, but we had to do that by exporting the data, running a bunch of visualizations in Excel, and the whole process was messy. This new dashboard essentially allows you to do that same thing within the builder itself. So you can, if you in the first half of the month have one messaging flow, and the second half of the month you have another messaging flow, you can compare their conversion rates just by looking at this visualization. So we're really excited for you guys to try this out and to use it to optimize your bots. Let us know if you have any questions. Let us know if you have any suggestions or whether you love it. We love hearing that.